Good afternoon, scholars. A little late for this introduction, but finally got to it. Okay, so in the read section, I outlined the two readings for this week. As we know, it's the first agreement here in the book, and it goes from page 25 to 46. And wonderful book, right? And then in our understanding rhetoric, we're going from page 119 to 149. 149. Very interesting, fascinating thing about writing identities. Okay. So those are the two readings that we're going to cover tomorrow. Also, I uploaded 3 videos on the 4 agreements, 2 on domestication, which are really, really good. We have to understand the concept of domestication, and then the first agreement. Okay. In the discussion section, like I mentioned on Tuesday, rather than have you write a paper, just to add to your burden, because I want you to concentrate on your essays. There's a discussion on the first agreement, and there's also a discussion on a question regarding this chapter. Okay? Then I've uploaded 2 model essays for the value essay. Read them both, take your time, go through, see what works. Look at their thesis / roadmap and go from there. I also took a picture of the calendar because the calendar thing wasn't happening, and so I uploaded a screenshot of the calendar. And then also, if you look under student support, there is a perfect outline for the 5-paragraph essay. And if you just use this outline and go through it and answer the questions, I think, and you fill it out, if you could download it, then I think you have a real solid base for your values essay. So, and again, remember that this week, what are we doing? Well, we're kind of combining the writing identities, who we are on paper, with the first agreement, which be impeccable with your word, with the values essay, right? We're trying to, see if there's any way that all of these work together to help you write your essay. And I think, like I mentioned, the values essay is probably the lightest one. It's a narrative coming from your perspective. The 3 most valuable values in your life, and talk about them and what they mean to you, and so on and so forth. Now, make sure that you do some research. This is not just a straight up narrative. This is just like any other essay, 1,500 words. 4 to 5 resources, 2 of them academic. The same thing, even though it's a lighter fare, there's still some academic components to this writing, okay? So I know you're sequestered, it's a little hot today, but it's a good day just to kick back, take a step backwards, go through Canvas, read each little section of the module, and then have fun doing the work, okay? See you tomorrow.